right on the beach, on the strand as one would have it. I wonder how windy it is in the camera.
It is, what is it today? 4th of July!
That's right.
Big party!
Yeah, so we came to the beach because we wanted to see what it looks like and see what the waves were like. But we don't see any really.
Maybe they're around the corner.
But if you zoom in, you can see the surf class taking place.
Yeah, there is a surf class taking place.
Can you zoom in?
Yeah. Where are the drowning children? There they are. Cool. I'm sure it's so cold.
I'm sure it is.
And it's very lovely here. And back there is the Big Ben Bulben. There it is.
Yep. And you can see the famous shops and things under there at Strandhill.
Which we will film when we go back to the car.
Right.
And you don't have to pay for the parking.
Looks like gold.
Yeah, it's very brown, huh?
Yeah, like see this strip? It's from a particular wave.
Really?
It looks like gold, doesn't it?
Yeah, it does.
Yeah.
Cool. Magnet fishing in Strandhill, Sligo.
Not the best idea I had. The tide's coming in.
No magnet fishing in Strandhill, Sligo.